Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth Rangdal, and in this video we will be talking about how to get registered on Autodesk website and download the free students version of AutoCAD for practicing. First go to autodesk.com, the official website of Autodesk. Click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, go to downloads and free student software. Here you see the confirmation message that the student and educators get 1 year of educational access to the Autodesk products for practicing. So you have to click on Get Started. When it asks you the mail ID, click on Create Account. Fill in the details in the form that follows. Click on Next. Fill in the details in this form. I'm using a dummy student account to get registered as a student. Click on this to agree with their usage policy and click on Create Account. You will be sent a verification email to your mail ID that you provided. Then you have to open that mail ID and verify. For that, go to office.com website, click on Sign In. While signing in, once again you have to type the complete mail ID provided to you for attending Teams classes. Click on Next. Enter the password. Click on Sign In. When asked if you want to remain signed in, if it's your computer, you can click Yes or click No. Now you can see you have got signed in to your official account. Click on Outlook to go to the mail. Look for the verification mail sent by Autodesk. Click on it and then click on Verify Mail. It will display a message called The account is verified. Click a check, ensure this is checked mark and click on the Done button. This step is very important. AutoCAD has maintained the list of colleges, various colleges in its database. And here the name that you type should exactly match with the spelling that is there in the database. So don't choose anything from the forms. If something like this appears, press Escape and choose from the list provided with the website. So you can scroll down to Methodist College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is how our college name appears in the database of Autodesk. There may be complications if you try to choose a different spelling or try to enter it as something else. Don't do that. Then choose other options. So fill the details like this and click on Next. It will display a message that the account is set and now you can sign in. Click on Continue. So it will just display your name. I had entered it as dummy, so it's appearing like that. Click on Get Started. It will once again display all. So it will display all the details that you had entered in the form. Just go down, click on Verify. So this is where you have to upload a proof for proof stating that you are indeed the student of this particular college. So what usually they ask is the official ID provided by the college. If you have it, you can load it here. You can just scan the ID and upload it here at this point. But if the ID is not having the time of your admission and the time up to which you will be staying in the institute, then it will not be accepted as a proof. So in that case, what you have to do is you will have to get a letter from the head of the department with his signature, clearly mentioning the date when you were a part of the institution, when you got admitted into the institution, and the date by which your course is going to end. So the pro forma for that letter is present with me. So those of you who are unable to get yourself verified can contact me personally. They can provide me their complete name and hall ticket number, and I will provide you the PDF which you can upload it here. So this is how your letter has to appear. You should have the letterhead of the college mentioning the date on which the letter is issued, and this is the sentence that should be there. It should include the date on which you were admitted and the date by which you will graduate. So, and it should of course carry the signature of the head of the department, his number and the college website. So in case you are unable to get registered with your ID card, you can contact me personally and I will send you these details to your mail ID, which you can upload to the Autodesk website and verify your account. So once you have uploaded the proof of your studentship, you will get an official mail from them. This is the mail which I had got recently. So it confirms that yes, indeed, I have the educational access enabled on the products. So now it says that I'm now eligible for 1 year educational access, and I can click on this button straight from the mail and continue to download the softwares. Of course, if you're not signed in after clicking on that, you may have to again sign in using the same ID, the account details that you had used while registering. So when you're signed in, you can go down here and download any of the software that you want. So we'll be using AutoCAD, so go down there and install AutoCAD. So first it will download a very small file, and this file, when you start it, it will download the whole of AutoCAD later. So when the file is downloaded, click on it to open. Click on run if some error message is coming up. Then it will start downloading the software. If there are some other problems, it may be because of your system. You might try to rectify it, and if you are good to go, it should start downloading. Once it is downloaded, you can start the setup. You can set it up, and you may have to provide some of your details while you're installing it. After that, when AutoCAD opens for the first time, you have to sign into AutoCAD using the same credentials that you used while registering it. Once you do that, you should be good to go for using AutoCAD. For 1 year, AutoCAD will be usable on your system. The latest version of AutoCAD, of course, will be usable. If your system is having slightly lower specifications, you can go for other versions. I request you use the broadband connection to download AutoCAD, since it's over 3 to 4 GBs. The complete file of AutoCAD setup will be around 3 to 4 GBs. So if you are running on Geo, it may not be sufficient. You may have to take some extra package. The small additional data will be available for small amount of rupees. So you can get one of those, and you can download the whole of software and install it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, of course, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you want further updates about AutoCAD and machine drawing, you can stay subscribed to our channel. Thank you.